So this is the first job link that we have, which is for the VAPT security consult, and this is an analyst role, right? And this is in Delhi NCR. Basically, the work is more into VAPT, which is vulnerability assessment and pen testing, right? And you need to work on Active Directory as well, AD, firewall, IDS, IPS. So I feel like it's more into security analyst, right? And network security and VAPT is the main role work that you are going to do. Bit of protocols knowledge is important. MITRE attack and OWASP top 10 is something which is basic. पेट से सीख के आते हैं ये तो बेसिक है बिल्कुल. OS, FUOS, Kali, okay, Nmap, Metasploit, all those things is required. Plus, knowledge is important. AWS, Azure, or Google, whatever you know. And OSCP, as I told you, will be a plus point. CH, if you have CH, then this is more preferable, but OSCP will be a plus point. So minimum 1 year of experience required. So I will consider this job role as a freshers, right? So this is for the freshers, and that's what we can do. So if you feel like you can apply for this job role, just drop a mail on this mail ID, and accordingly you'll get selected. Next is experience, folks. This is for the experience. It want minimum 4 years of experience, right? And this is actually for the position of again VAPT, which is for the experienced folks. So you need to do VAPT whatever environment they have. Okay, Bob suit, Metasploit, Nessus, and map those knowledge is compulsory. Even that part is very basic. OWASP top 10 MITRE attack. Okay, and OSCP again plus point. So just do that part. Okay, and if you feel like you can apply for this job role, this is himanshu.gupta2@dxc.com. So just do accordingly. This is third opening, which is again probably for the freshers, right? They are looking for 20 plus people, those who can join as a SOC, which is level 2, L2, which is mid level. They want around 2 years of experience. So the part in which you need to do pen testing is web API, mobile network, cloud. Okay, and at least they want OSCP certificate. Then only they can proceed. Otherwise, don't drop your resume, and you might not get selected. ISO 27001 and SOC2 is important. Okay, so probably there are 4 to 5 in 27001. So you need to check it out, all those things. Okay, so I always do look for the GRC, governance, citizen compliance, which is going to help you a lot. And this is actually a boom, right? So just work on it, and probably I'll be starting a series on GRC. This is the mail ID ansul@cyberguardians.in. So just do accordingly, right? Next is again SOC. So this job is in DC, Washington DC. It's in US, right? They want someone to hire as soon as possible. And this is something where they can pay you around $55 per hour, which is around 4,000. Yes, so 4 to 5,000 is something which they are going to pay you per hour. They will pay you around, I guess, 5 to 6, right? So around 5 to 6,000 per hour you are going to get for this job role. So this is for SOC folks, those who can join as a SOC analyst, and minimum 2 years of experience is required for you, which is a bit of experience job. The SOC job role, which is probably you need to look for the SOC center, you need to look for the monitoring and all. Yeah, as I told you, monitoring trials, investigation, security alerts, incident with Splunk, which is pretty important for the SOC, and false positive, true positive. Like you should have a knowledge about intrusion, right? IDS, IPS, more functionality into it. So just do that part. CrowdStrike experience is important, which is detection, investigation, response, DIR, okay, or DFIR, which is usually we do in this procedure. And Azure Defender, Microsoft Security tools. So I guess you are mostly going to work in a very offensive environment. Company is Kanda Tech LLC, right? So might be a company is getting a lot of cyber attacks, so you need to work in the SOC. Probably like if you are working in any big company, you'll be getting a lot of cyber attack on your server. So you need to look very deeply into SOC. So that's why they want someone with a good knowledge and minimum 2 years of experience. Mail ID is info@kandatechllc.com. Right. Next is Tech Breeze. Right. Someone is looking for Linux engineer. Linux का knowledge होना चाहिए. This is for the freshers. The work is in Gurugram. BTech preferable, BC, MCA, BSc, IT. भाई बहुत बेसिक है. Okay, just do that part if you're fresh, if you want a job. Deployment support. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Radhika at .garg@techbreeze.biz, right? Next one is again L1, SOC L1, which is Abu Dhabi. They are going to pay you a huge amount, right? एक साल में Rolls Royce आ जाएंगे. So that is how much they are going to pay you, right? They want SOC analyst L1. SIM knowledge is also important for the SOC folks. rec.service@apply applyin.com is the mail ID where you need to drop it. So guys, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask accordingly.